So this is what your invoice template looks like. So welcome to your invoice section. So we're going to be using this invoice print and invoice log. So first of all, if you've entered your business name in the control sheet, it would automatically appear here. So just enter your telephone number and let's go over to our invoice log. So let's say we have an invoice for bookkeeping. We have an invoice for bookkeeping and it's payable to account easy. It's payable to account easy and our invoice number is 111223 and our address is Accra and the project is improving records. And enter the due date, improving record project, and the description. And you enter your quantity, and you enter the quantity, it's 1, and the unit. What does it cost us? It cost us 500. This is 500 and it automatically calculates here. So let's go back to our print. So we are going to come here and click on the drop down and we are going to go over and choose bookkeeping, right? So if you enter your invoice data in your invoice log and you come back to your print section, you'll be able to choose from the drop down the data that you've entered in your invoice log. So it's payable to account easy and our transaction number was 223 and you can choose your due date here by clicking on the date and let's say it's due in April. Still in April, and the name of the project is improving records. So you can enter your address here if it's necessary for you. Then you come over here and you also click and you choose bookkeeping template. That's the description. You can bookkeeping template. And the quantities are 1 and we're going to choose our unit. Our unit is 500. So we'll have to edit this to give you an option of 0, so don't worry about it. When you get your template, there will be an option for 0 if there's nothing to enter. Let's just go with unit price for now, right? So this is it. So it means that we have a total sum of 504. So if you want to send this, you simply go over to this button, the print button here, and you click on it. After clicking on it, you check that the information is accurate and then you proceed to next. You wait for it to load. The preview has loaded, so we save. This is going to save in our computer, so you can go ahead and save it with a name that would make you remember whom you're sending it to. So it already said Google Sheet account easy bookkeeping. Okay, let's just say bookkeeping services. Bookkeeping services, if we're going to remember that, and then we go ahead and save. And we go ahead and save this invoice. Then you can send it to your email. So that is it for our invoice.